start. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and today I am going to be talking about hair care products. It's all those products that I have used over a period of time and I'm totally in love with. These सारे products have been actually tried and tested by me. So इस live में I have kind of done a mix of all the hair care products that I have experimented with, used, loved, plus, minus. I am going to tell you everything about hair care. You see my hair? Actually ये इससे double triple quantity में हुआ करते थे, but thanks to my shooting routine, it has become half its size, but still I think I have good hair and I clearly did not, do up my hair and curl it because then it looks a little fake and I wanted to be honest and real and show you guys the reality about my hair and then talk about hair care products. Like हमने पहले दो live about skin care किए हैं, body care किए हैं, now we are rushing to the hair because hair सबसे important part है when it comes to your appearance. अच्छे बाल means everything. You can style them, you can look pretty, and you can do a lot of stuff to your look and play with your hair. So hair is a crucial, very important part. And honestly, after I delivered, I had a baby, I had major hair issues, and that's what has got me here. And all these products that you see here are listed because of that. So let me start with scalp, okay? Because scalp is the root cause for everything what happens to your hair. So your scalp needs to be healthy. So I'm going to be rushing into my first favorite product, which comes in my luxury segment, and which is the Kerastase. This is here. It's the Initial A. It is it's called Initialist, and it is one of my favorite products. If I open this, you will see half the bottle is over. थोड़े से drops रह गए हैं, and that's about it. And this is what I apply on my scalp. So what is this product? I've clicked it here, you can check it out. आप देख सकते हैं, there is actually 199 number of people have reviewed it. It almost has a 5-star on it. So it is a verified product, not only by me but also a lot of other Amazon users. And honestly, initially I never used to buy luxury from Amazon, but then I realized that if you read the reviews, you read about the seller, you can actually get luxury products at a very good discounted rate. So why not? This one is of course for hair fall. You've just asked me that question, and hi Ajay, that's a very valid question. So this basically protects your scalp. So मेरे साथ क्या होने लग गया था? I had started getting this dry scalp and itchy scalp, because of which I was getting a lot of like hair fall issues, and I started losing hair, and I was very, very stressed, and I started going for treatment. And then I got to know about this product from my parlor, जहाँ पे maximum हम products experiment करते हैं. So there I went and I figured out this product because she told me that this will really, really hydrate your scalp. Like if you see the texture, एक तो firstly, this nozzle is amazing. It's very easy to apply. Just put it on segments and 2, 3, 4 drops, massage it well, and you will see a change. Now with all Kerastase products and hair product, you have to give it at least 3 hafte for it to actually show you the result. And honestly, with this, I could see a difference in 3 days. Like I could just feel that my scalp is feeling better. So it's a little thick. It sets in, but it doesn't make your hair too oily or anything, because sometimes we have, see, it's disappeared. It is there, it's a serum, but it just absorbs really, really well. And this is for your hair fall. It is to prevent that dryness. It just basically takes care of your scalp and makes your scalp hydrated and healthy, and that is the root from which everything goes forward, right? So this is one product that I love, and it is on 11% off on Amazon right now. It's actually for 5,400, but I can see it here. It's for 4,800. No, this is a serum, so it is to be applied post shampooing your hair. Especially after shampoo, we feel that dryness. Thank you for that question, guys. Please keep asking me questions because that's what makes this session fun. So you apply it post shampoo, post conditioner. You feel, because you never apply the conditioner on your scalp, so your scalp feels a little dry after the shampoo, and that's when you go for this. So just towel dry your hair, 2-3 sections, put few drops, and then massage it well and see the magic happen. I usually use this in the crown area because usually यहाँ पे ज़्यादा dryness होती है. So this is one of the luxury products that I clearly recommend and I clearly love. And it's called the Kerastase Initialist, and it for me is a 5-star, and here you can see a 4.5-star with 99 people reviewing it. So go check it out. Any questions about this particular product, you can ping me and I am there to answer. So this is for dryness, this is for moisturizing your scalp and giving it that healing that it requires. Like how we put a serum on our face, it's the same with the scalp. Our scalp also needs something little extra to hydrate it, to keep it good. And after my baby, I had like a lot of hair fall, and I had dryness and I was losing hair like crazy, and that's when I discovered this product. So this is my first scalp care product that I'm reviewing. And hi everyone, it's Pranita Pandit, and today we are going to be talking about all hair care products. Do not worry, I'm not only going to be talking about expensive and super expensive products, but there are some which are on my favorite list, which are completely natural and are not so expensive, and you can try them too. So keep going. Let's move ahead. The other product that I cool, hi. So the other product, the second product that I'm going to be reviewing is again from Kerastase, and I'm going to be clicking it here. It's again super expensive and it comes in the luxury segment, but this is the Densify. It's called the Kerastase Densify. थोड़े से ना pronunciation लोगों के different होते हैं, but it says like the spelling is different, but it's called Densify. So the name says it will give you volume and it prevents premature graying. That was the main reason for this product to be added to my cart, and that's why I went for it. And I had already read about the seller, so I was comfortable. I knew what I'm getting into. I knew how much I'm paying for it. See, again, what I do, I'll tell you, is that I don't go for all luxury products. Here, ये तो 8,000 का है, 6,000 का है, and I'm going to buy that. No, it's not like that. I try to mix it up so that I have a good balance. Sometimes when I'm feeling that things are getting out of hand, I resort to the luxury side of things and I resort to something with chemicals. Otherwise, I try to keep it natural. But this particular product, firstly, it has an amazing pump spray. This is also for the scalp, and this is also something that gives you a lot of volume. It gives you, like it says, it's Densify. So I started losing hair here, like if you can see. And I've been using this product and I'm feeling that this baby hair that you can see here, yeah. So this is like, I have used it for a few months. It's like almost empty. It's it's a little shiny, guys, so I'm sorry about that. It's called the Kerastase Densify. Here it is. It is also on Amazon. It's available as of now. I can't see a discount on it, but then maybe in the future. So keep checking it out, and you might actually get a great deal on this product. What all this product does and what is the difference between these two is what I'm going to be talking about. So this is something for your volume, it's for your density, and also it kind of prevents premature graying. So I am a fan of that, and it just kind of prevents your hair fall as well. But the Initialist is something that actually works on your scalp, and you can also it kind of gives that hydration to your scalp. This gives that bounce. This is something that you can also apply on your hair, and this is something that you can apply to the ends, like split ends. So sometimes I massage it really well on my scalp, and then I take 2 drops, tiny 2 drops, and I just rub it to the ends, and I'm good to go. I feel like I've done enough and I've really taken care of my hair. So I have highlighted both the products, and these are my first 2 products. Thank you. Hi guys, and I am Pranita Pandit on Amazon Live, and I can really see the numbers going up, and it's really making me happy. So thank you for being here, and today we are talking about hair care products. So I have reviewed, I've told you about 2 products. Kuch questions ho, you can always throw them to me and I'm going to be answering them. So how to solve for baby hair. I didn't get that correct. Gauri, I'm really sorry. Salt for baby hair. Babies, you want your baby to have better hair or oiling or something? No, this is for adults. Don't use it on a baby. But you will see baby hair coming out. Baby hair fly away. Okay. I get that question, Gauri. Now I understand what you're saying, and because वो you know that वो जो छोटे 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 बाल निकलने लग जाते हैं, you mean about that baby hair. So now that you've asked me that question, though I was about to feature that product a little later, but I can talk about that product now. So what I do, it's again a Kerastase product. It's in my luxury segment, and I will be telling you about two products which can solve this issue of yours. And both the products are on my cart here. You can check them out. You can see it. So if you hi Deepak. So if you can see the Kerastase Axilla. This is the one. This is my go-to serum. So jitne bhi mere wo, you know, these two are for the scalp. Now I'm talking about the hair. So this is what solves your baby hair issues and your hair feeling nice or not, and knots and stuff like that. I think this is the best serum ever. If you can see here, I can see there are like 4.5 stars given to it. So it's not only me. There are 72 other people who have reviewed this and loved it, and I have ordered it from Amazon because I got a good deal on Amazon. So you know, this is one product. It's a very thick serum, so you just have to basically, you know, I'll just tell you, just take a pump, like a proper pump. I've taken, yeah, even this much is fine. Like, I don't know if you can see it. This is the Axilla. Looks amazing. I love the bottle itself. You just basically rub it on your scalp, and if you have baby hair issues, just do this, and you can apply it on your ends. You can apply it just, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It is like one of my, you know, favorite products. It makes my hair like really feel nice, and you know, especially I'm not putting any heating product because that's not something that I want to go for. Agar daily use में आपको baby hair को थोड़ा सा वो करना है, तो if you just take a drop and you do it, see the shine. It smells really good. So you can just put this particular serum to kind of set it up, and it will stay. Some little water or just this serum is enough. Now I will tell you about the second product, Gauri, which you know, you can actually use to so-called set your hair, and is not expensive. And I have recently you know, discovered is the BBlunt Climate Control. So this is the one that I'm gonna be marking it also. So this is a anti-frizz serum. So this is a really nice one. It's from BBlunt. It is not very expensive. It's relatively, you know, very cheap, and it is something that you can use and will do the job unless you're not looking at the luxury segment. You don't want to invest too much on your hair, but you still want the problem to be solved. I think BBlunt is one of the best brands that, you know, I have in this range, which does the job, is really good, and it is you basically a anti-frizz leave-in cream sort of a thing. So this is like a cream, if you see. So again, this is your BBlunt. They have, you know, they have a hot shot proper collection. I have marked one of those here. This is a cream. It's not too thick, but it's creamy, so a little bit here to kind of set that baby hair. It'll do the job. So, you know, it'll just, with that frizz, it will kind of, you know, get it back to normal. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and I am on Amazon Live today talking about hair care. It's actually so lovely being here talking to all of you and sharing my experiences, and you know, discussing and knowing more, and even I'm learning. So is it for curly hair as well? Absolutely. You can use this for curly hair, and it is something that you can apply because it's a serum in a cream form. So it's just like, you know, sometimes I want those curls, so I just kind of do this and I kind of let it absorb, and it does the job for curly hair. And even Kerastase, this one, the Axilla, this also does the job for curly hair. So I would recommend both. Whatever, I keep both because, like I said, this is very expensive, this is very affordable. Both do the job. it's all good. Sometimes you want to pamper yourself, I go for this. On a regular day, you can use this. Yeah. So I think I have answered some of your questions, and today I have a surprise product for you, which is actually whoever is going to be seeing this live will really thank me, and I know I'll get like people will, order maximum because it is like the most wanted products. May say a product. It's a secret that I'm going to be sharing very soon, and I will save you guys all the money. So you will save so much money, and then you can invest it in the luxury side of products. So yes, so you have to hang in for that. Let me see the numbers really go up, and then I'll be sharing that product. But now that I'm talking about the luxury hair care segment, and I have covered the scalp issue and like the serum issue, so we've gone there, and now let's move to the shampoos that I vouch for and I personally love. And I'm going to be going a little fast on that because, every shampoo is different. I'm sure, I've had such a big time, like, wasted a lot of time trying to discover इसमें क्या फ़र्क है, इसमें क्या फ़र्क है, ये क्यों यूज़ करूँ, तो एक्चुअली आई गिव यू अ टिप हियर. कभी भी ना एक शैम्पू बहुत टाइम तक यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. यू शुड कीप लाइक स्विचिंग इट बिकॉज आवर बॉडी एंड आवर हेयर वी आर मेड इन अ वे कि अगर एक चीज़ बहुत टाइम तक करो तो योर बॉडी योर हेयर विल स्टॉप रिएक्टिंग टू इट, विल स्टॉप वर्किंग इज़ वॉट इज़ माई पर्सनल thinking. That's why I have so many products that I play with, and I have people who you want to use like one or two products and they've been using it for years. But I personally feel that जब मैंने एक product बहुत लंबे time तक use किया, it stops working for me. So I always keep changing my shampoos, and this is a dermatologist who had told me that कि please don't use the same shampoo for a really long time, just kind of switch. So I always have at least 3 shampoos in my bathroom, and I kind of keep switching. So it's really important. Now you can see I do kind of color my hair on and off, not a lot. Thanks to this, I don't have so much gray hair. So yes, but I am going to go ahead and talk about some shampoos, some conditioners that have done the job for me. So let's go there, and I'm going to be talking. I'm just like looking for the link, and I'm just clicking on that, and then you can see that. So where is one of my favorite hair fall shampoos? Yes, this is the one. This is the Kerastase Genesis. This I use the conditioner. I have and the shampoo, and I have marked both on the link, so you can check it out. You can see it has 1093 people who have reviewed it. It is not super expensive, but it is in the luxury segment again, and I have ordered it from Amazon, so I personally am happy with it, and I've got the original product. And if you see, then it's of course you get a little better deal on Amazon than from picking it up from a parlor. But yes, this is the light pink color bottle that I've been using. So like I told you guys, I was having hair fall issues, so that's when I resorted to the shampoo. I've clicked here, and I'll go to the conditioner, and I'll show you the conditioner of the same segment. So they have like usually, so I try to kind of use the same conditioner and shampoo. So this is the conditioner here right on your screen, and this is basically for hair fall. So yeah, I was having hair fall. I wanted to kind of treat that. So I was like, okay, I have colored hair, I have hair fall issues, and I need a little bit of hydration for my damaged hair, because I used to style my hair really often and my hair gets damaged. And बहुत लेट मुझे रियलाइज हुआ honestly कि I need to really really take care of my hair, and that's when all these products came into my life. So now I do that. So that's why this is one of those products that are there, and it is again a super creamy nice product. Again, I'll tell you one more thing, one more tip. तो ये जो products है ना, you don't have to use it बहुत सारा, like इतना सारा shampoo नहीं लेना है. You just have to take one pump, that's it. Even the conditioner is of this much size, that's it, like just one pump of one drop, this much, like a coin size is the exact size if I give you. It's perfect for a good shampoo to clean your hair properly. So yes, a coin size shampoo is, uh, enough. My hair is curly and I want to make it smooth. Yes, I have something, for you there. And I will tell you about it. It is not even like, if you have curly hair, this is basically for hair fall. This is the Kerastase range for hair fall. So I've marked the conditioner and the shampoo, so you can check it out. So a very basic product, हम पार्लर में जाके ये कराते हैं, एंड आपने भी कराया होगा if you've got curly hair. Now that you've asked me this question, Sudev, I'm gonna answer it right away because I can see the product on my list, and here I go. So you want to know about the shampoo or the main thing? I think I'll go for the main thing first. You can see the L'Oreal Spa bottle right here. Hair spa. So guys, it's not, hair spa is not something that सिर्फ आप पार्लर में करा सकते हो. I've been doing hair spa. This is a mask. It's a mask. It's a conditioner and it's a mask, and it's something that I have been. Is it? You can read it right. So it's the L'Oreal Hair Spa Deep Nourishing Creme. So it's smells really good. It is thick. See, I've used half the box. So this is amazing for curly hair because it will really detangle your hair, and it is not so expensive. You are getting for $3.99. 782 people have reviewed it, so it's a product not only verified by me but a lot of other people. And there you go. This is the L'Oreal Hair Spa, which will work wonderfully on your curly hair. It will work wonderfully on dry hair. It is a mask, it is a conditioner. I use it as both. There are days I want to keep it on for 15 minutes also. I keep it on because it's made as a hair spa, right? So people keep it on in the parlor for longer. Like the other chemical conditioners that I use is the Kerastase one, and one more I use. I'm going to be talking about it very soon. I don't keep it for too long. I keep it for exactly like 3 to 4 minutes and I wash it off. But if I'm in a mood to just steam my hair and I want to feel that luxury and nice, and I don't want to spend too much, this is my go-to product. So you will see this also in my bathroom and a this, and that's what I recommend all you guys, that you should always have a good balance. I do that, and it works very well for curly hair. This is a very good mask for thin hair. So I think I will do a segment for thin hair altogether. And I have done used a product which I have not marked here, so we will get into that. But yes, L'Oreal even has Olaplex, and that is something that you can try and use, and it works really well for thin hair. So yeah, and these were the two products that we were talking about. And it's a mask, it's a conditioner. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. Welcome to Amazon Live, and today we are talking about hair care. So there we go. I can see so many people joining in, and it feels really nice. Now I was talking about color. I said I color my hair occasionally, and I like to color my hair. It's something that gives me happiness, so why not? So we're going to be moving to the color. Okay, so Dave is asking me, my hair is also getting dried very quickly. Honestly, so Dave, there is a product. I will mark it for you again and then go back to my next product, which is this one right here, Kerastase Elixir. This works really well in dry hair. Like, you just have to apply a pump. It absorbs really well. You can try this on, and your hair will not dry so quickly. I've got another serum for people with curly hair, dry hair, and who have these issues, and want to solve it and have a lot of volume. So this particular serum works really well for all sorts of hair. But there is a serum that I personally recommend very well for very dry curly hair, and a lot of hair with a lot of volume, because I realized one thing, and I'm going to be sharing that, and I'm going to be clicking on that product right away. Let's go to the Moroccan side. The Moroccan oil, बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा इसके बारे में. I am so sure. 7,475 people have reviewed it. And trust me, you just need a drop of this Moroccan oil treatment. So had to do unboxing. See. It's for like, 1900 bucks otherwise, but here at Amazon I can see it's for 1394. So this is the small travel pack. Sometimes I don't want to carry a big conditioner or a leave-in serum or something, so I always have these travel packs with me. This is the Moroccan oil hair serum that I carry in this little package. It's I think the 25 ml one that I have here. No, it's a 50 ml one actually. It's a 50 ml one, and this is the smallest pack that you get, and it's very easy to just kind of go for a one-day trip. I put it in. So that is the reason I have like this huge range of products. Moroccan hair oil is amazing. It just kind of makes your hair super smooth. But yes, there is one little thing that I felt that it makes my hair a little more heavy. तो अगर आपके curly बाल हैं and already it's unmanageable, use this. It's a wonderful product for that. Moroccan oil. What I started feeling and why I switched to this, and then I kind of went to the Densify and all of that, was because I just started feeling that my hair is become heavy and थोड़ा चिपक रहा है और थोड़ा it was again very good for the scalp. तो थोड़ा सा oilish था ना, तो it was to just kind of make my hair fall down, and I like that volume because अब इतने सारे बाल भी नहीं बचे, so I have to save whatever you have. So but it is a wonderful product. I still have it in my closet, and I have it in my vanity and all of that, where I have all my products, because I feel it's sometimes my go-to product. Because कभी बहुत dryness हो रही होती है, there is this one patch of my hair that becomes really unmanageable, is this area. Like right now, so you'll see it now. अभी तो फिलहाल, of course, I put a serum right now, so it's like quite like cool, but otherwise it becomes very dry and it kind of makes those twirls. And I sometimes just take a drop of this and I just apply it in that area, so that kind of opens up and it is good to go. So, and again, you can apply it on the scalp a bit, but then it will make your hair a little sticky. It will not give you that वो जो bounce होता है वो नहीं होगा. But again, a fab product. 7,475 लोगों ने रिव्यू किया हुआ इस प्रोडक्ट को, so you can understand why I am raving about this product. Does it work for thin hairs? Yes, it works for thin hair. But again, if you have thin hair, it will make your hair a little dense. Like, it'll give you that conditioning that you need. But I would suggest, just if you have to apply it and get out, then just apply a drop if you have thin hair. So बहुत थोड़ा सा लगाना होता है and it does the job. You don't need a big quantity. You need a drop, literally a drop. Rub it well and apply it. So you can see that color, right? I was talking about color and then I went to again serums. This is what happens with me. Hi guys, I am Pranita Pandit and I'm here on Amazon Live talking about hair care products. So let's go back to the main topic. You can see that light coming on my hair and my hair shining. And you must be thinking कि मैंने तो बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च किए होंगे इसमें. I'm sorry, this is a secret that a friend told me. I'm not going to take her name on this live, and I'm sure she knows it. So I used to go to the parlor and get my hair colored, okay? So I thought कि global karana hai, and I want to do a different look, so let me spend 5,000 6,000. Acha, sorry, I'm going back to Utkarsh because he's just asked me a question. We will go back to the color. Sorry. Now, how frequently do you use it? Moroccan oil, this I use it occasionally, once in a while, because I feel it's a very heavy serum, so a little bit does the job. I use this occasionally. This, you can see the bottle says it all. I use it on a regular basis whenever I wash my hair. This is for the volume, which I use again very regularly. And even this, like thrice a week. This is again thrice a week. This is again thrice a week minimum, or sometimes more. This is once a month when I want to kind of, give that extra nourishment. than this. So that's the answer to your question, and being very very honest about that. All these products are ice, so that's why I'm talking about it. I don't talk about products that I don't approve of. So you can see for yourself. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Now going back to the shine that's there on my hair, and you must be thinking कि ये तो पार्लर में कराया होगा 5-6 हज़ार रुपये. And actually I'll tell you, ये मेरे बाल actual natural है. मतलब मैंने धोए और ये अपने आप सूख गया. I've not even put a dryer on my hair, like being that honest. This is how it looks, this is how it falls, and this is how it is. And I love it because I think it's natural and it's not too straight. It's a little wavy and curly. पहले बहुत curly हुआ करते थे, but I've lost hair. So you're welcome, Utkarsh. So I did not spend $6,000 on this hair color. And if I tell you the amount, you're gonna laugh. This is my highlight product, so I thought I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle of the live and not kind of, reveal it in the start and the last, so that I have maximum people seeing me and knowing about it. So this is the Be Blunt Salon Secret. You get it on Amazon. Let me just mark it for you so that you can just, without thinking, without anything, just go and order it. You can take my word for it. Like, the one that I use is the light golden brown. My friend might just kill me for like literally sharing this top secret with the world now, but then I thought, why not? It is the honey light golden brown, and this is how it looks, guys. That is this actually. And you know how much it is for? It's for $225. Like, come on. And I did it at home in half an hour. I did it. Like, I'm the laziest person. I've always been coloring my hair like in the parlor, and I've been sitting there for hours and feeling like impatient and all of that. It's so simple. सब कुछ इसके अंदर है, It's like we're doing the unboxing also. This is the developer. I was so scared. I always had this hitch. पता है कि एक होता है ना बचपन में, only see aunties coloring their hair in the house, and how they used to put the color and sit. And I was like, नहीं मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. I have to go to the parlor and kind of get it done properly. But after I did this, I feel कि I will never go to the parlor for a global hair color anymore, because it was so simple, it was so easy, it was done within half an hour, and everything is in the box. Like, it's not even messy. It's just like mix it up all and apply it and then shampoo it. It's that simple. I think Be Blunt should just like this thing share this live like 100 times, because this is a very very honest review, and I love you guys actually for making this product. And I used 2 boxes on my hair, so say 400 rupees. Until now I was spending approximately 6,000 easy, 6,500 on my hair color. So you can imagine, ये जो सारे आपको products मैंने दिखाए ना 4-4 हज़ार वाले और 5-5 हज़ार वाले, ये कहाँ से आए? ये सब इसने मेरे पैसे बचाए. So I have saved all that money and I have invested in my whole hair care routine, and I'm in love with it. So this is the Be Blunt hair color at home. So this is, you just basically mix it all up, and I think कुछ भी और आता. Oh, and they have this is the main tube. This is for the shine. It really does give you that shine. It's a shine tonic. I love this shine tonic. I wish I could get it separately also. It just kind of, it actually makes your hair shine. And I was like, what? And it felt good. And then of course, after you color your hair, you have to use something which protects that color. I always recommend that to everyone, and I use it myself, and I will be telling you about that product itself, and why coloring your hair and then protecting it is very very important. And अभी मैं वो Kerastase वाले products को थोड़ा साइड कर दूंगी. है मेरे पास 1-2 और बचे हुए, but we will kind of talk about it. I've really raved about it and I've shared it already with you. So this, I think, is my highlight for this particular live, is the Be Blunt Salon Secret. Please guys, check it out. Barely any refer, any investment. आप ऑर्डर करो, आप यूज़ करो इसको. एक पता उसके साथ निविया भी फ्री है 45 रुपीज़ का. किडिंग मी यार. So आप use करो and get back to me. I'm so many people out here are gonna thank me later because this color is what I just hope I get it in stock on Amazon next time. Please, guys, like bulk up the stock because I need to order the second lot for myself too. So it's the 5.32 hair color ka copy, like not copy actually. That's the hair color that usually you go to the salon, you choose the colors. So it's 5.32 and it's the golden light, honey light golden brown. That is the one. Honey light golden brown is what I use. That's the feel and finish of that. And there are other colors also, like if you want to go red and stuff like that. Maybe it looks really nice. I've not tried it myself. Please try it and let me know and we can have a conversation about that. And send me a picture. How will you send it to me? You can send it to me on my Instagram. So yeah. So I have spoken about my hair care, my hair routine, and now I'm going to be telling you about the shampoo that you need to be using for, after you've just colored your hair. So basically, after I color my hair, I don't use the dryness wala shampoo. I don't use the breaking wala shampoo for at least 3 weeks. I kind of use this. It's kind of over. It's called Reflections. It's the package of the conditioner, the red color one you get. It's called Chrome. So I'm just marking it here. Just check it out. Yeah, this is the one. So the same one you get the conditioner as well and the shampoo as well. This is what I use for at least 3 weeks post I color my hair, because I always feel कि color protection shampoo होना चाहिए. So it is very very important, and to use that, and you have to take care of your hair post its color. That's why the shine remains. No, actually I think it must be remaining otherwise also, but use what's all in the box. Okay, there are 3 products. There is a shine serum and there's a developer, and that's the color. There's only 3 things. All 3 things you actually put together, mix it up. इसमें gloves भी हैं. So you just wear those gloves, take it. Being honest, I did not use a brush or anything because I was just too lazy. So I just picked it up. I put it all in a bowl. घर के खाने वाले किसी पुराने bowl में mixed it up, applied it like with my fingers. I did not even use a brush, and just did that, tied it up, and I was good to go. So in half an hour I just went and I shampooed my hair like with the normal shampoo, and I just washed it, and I loved the color and it looks so nice. And so many people have asked me where have you got your hair color from, and I'm like, oh, how do I tell you? I said, look, but now I've told all you guys. So the secret is, the cat is out, and this is it. And I always recommend to use at least for 3 weeks a shampoo that protects your hair color. So you can go for this. L'Oreal also has sulfate free options that you can opt for. You can check it out. And going to L'Oreal and some other brands which are not, so Kerastase is the top end brand of L'Oreal. It's almost the same thing, just a little more luxury, money, blah blah, research added to it. But trust me, on a regular basis I will talk about 2 shampoos that I have been using for ages, and I'm super happy with it. So the shampoos that I have been using on a regular basis. And guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. I am on Amazon Live and I'm talking about hair care, and we've spoken about hair color, we've spoken about some luxury products, we've spoken about some shampoos, conditioner, serum, but there is a whole new segment that is going to come up now, which is the end bit of my life, which is all natural. Okay, so after I finish talking about these 2 shampoos, I'll feature it one by one so that you guys don't get confused, and then I will tell you the difference and why which and what is there, and what is the best deal that you can get on it. So yeah, but after that, hair fall के लिए क्या करना है? Oh my god, hair fall. I have started my life with the Initialist. It has really helped me with hair fall. I put it on my scalp. I am going to mark it for you right now, Kavi, and just have a look at it. See, it has good reviews. It is on an 11% discount. I'm on Amazon Live, so I'll talk about this. And also, now that you're going back, actually I like to be more interactive. So मेरा कोई ऐसा format नहीं है कि I will keep talking. You ask me a question, I'm going to straight go to that product. So like I said that I'm going to be talking about some secrets and some natural products and hair fall के लिए उसमें से एक product है जो मैं immediately discuss करूँगी, which I was thinking मैं 10 मिनट बाद करूँगी, but now that you asked me that question, let me go to this. Guys, firstly, this is a friend sent it to me. Okay, so that's how I tried this particular brand, and I'm in love with Sova. See that? Yes, now you can see it clearly. This is the Sova Brahmi and Hibiscus oil. I'm just like tagging it here. Oh yeah, there you go. Here. There are two hair oils that I have marked. You can check them both out. I have tried them both. This is the bitter Daksh bitter orange flower hair oil. Okay, firstly, the fragrance is amazing. You've seen I've used a part of it, so I have actually used this product, and this is for hair thinning and hair fall also. Even the Brahmi one you can check out. It is on my links below. Go check it out. Try this brand. Natural है, कोई chemicals नहीं है. I am not a oil person. मुझे तेल लगाना बहुत बुरा लगता है, and that is the truth. But this particular product is something that I have really loved, and and has worked for me. So like you asked me, Kavi, hair oil or just like hair fall के लिए, if you want to go in the oil segment, and this is the one. This I really like. It has a good fragrance. It's not like too chipko and oily. So the fact that I can put it right now, thoda si lagana hai, just massage it well, and it has a very very mild fragrance because it has no chemicals. It's completely I have minoxidil there also. So I wanted to actually go for the natural bit. So agar aapka hair oil से help नहीं हो रहा है, serum is not helping, nothing is working, and you're still having like major hair fall, then there is a product that I have used. I have and actually it is researched. It is actually properly researched, and that is what I've been told. So I am for my reality, I'm going to vouch for it, that it works. And a lot of people, like if you go to a professional, they will tell you that also. So I will mark that product, and I'm going to be talking about minoxidil super soon. So first let's go to this Sova. This is a hair oil. Try with natural things. So first always use a hair oil, see if it stops. Is it the dryness? Then maybe move to a serum. And when nothing is working, none of these products are working, and you're feeling कि कोई results नहीं मिल रहा, and you're unhappy and you want a quick fix, firstly, let me just tell you, this is on a 30% discount. You have 4.5 ratings here, and it was for 1,500, and now you're getting it for actually 1,050. And there are two products and two oils of Sova that I have linked, so you can check it out and see that. And now let's move to the chemical part of it. Now, minoxidil, according to me, is the only chemical that has been proved to stop hair fall. उसके अलावा कोई रिसर्च में कभी भी कोई नहीं बता सकता कि what has actually proved. But this clearly promotes hair growth. It stops hair fall. But it has some effects. It's not something that you can just buy off the rack बिना सोचे समझे. So it can react to your scalp. It is something that I personally say that if a doctor advises you or gives you, then you should go for it, or else do a testing. तो हल्का सा एक drop. See, it's a strong chemical. This is Dr. Reddy's Mintop, and I've marked it here. It's on a 40% discount. Wow, that's a fabulous deal, and it's for just 868. It's expensive thing in terms of putting something on your scalp. You can see the halat I have used Mintop also, because post pregnancy suddenly I was feeding, so I technically you cannot use Mintop when you are feeding. breastfeeding or anything, like when you're pregnant or something, because apparently this does go to your bloodstream. So that's why I said that it is a very not risky. It's something that I have used. It is something that is proven. But I would still say that always do a patch test with minoxidil and then go for it. It is, of course, the best ever. And it is a quick fix. And I really believe that quick fixes are something that you should only use in, extreme conditions. When you feel that kuch aur nahi kaam kar raha, this is for you guys then. So Mintop, just take one spray first and rub it on your scalp and see if it's suiting you. It's not suiting you, you can always call up a doctor and ask. If you have high blood pressure and anything of that sort, please be very, you have to be little like careful when you experiment with chemicals, because this is a chemical. This is not a oil or a serum जिसमें से ना कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इसमें proper chemicals हैं. It is proven to promote hair growth and stop hair fall completely. So just be little, you have to have knowledge. You can't just like because I'm saying it कि खरीद लो या मैंने use किया है, तो you cannot just go and buy it. Please do your own research also. Like I have done my research and I'm sharing my research with you, that people with heart condition or people with thank you. So or SK said I'm beautiful, so I just thought of thanking him. So point is that I did my research and I thought that it can give you a headache sometimes. Like I've had somebody else use it and he said मेरे को तो बहुत सर दर्द हो रहा था. So I said okay, please consult your doctor. So this is a chemical. It sure shot works, does wonders. It promotes hair growth. It will get your hair back. Also ये दो उसमें मिलता है percentage में. Some you get it at 2% and 5%. So I would always recommend that if you're going for minoxidil, please go for the 2% first and then think of going to the 5%. Don't jump to a 5%. This will get your hair back, guys. But then consult, read, and then order. Though it's available off the rack, but you need to know. So always do a little bit of research on your own. That's what I always do. All these products have been researched by me. They've been used by me. And even this, can you hear this? It's empty. It's like barely anything left. So it also has a good spray. You can just spray it, massage it a bit, and you will see a change. So I don't use it regularly. Sometimes when I'm having those really bad hair days and I'm feeling, oh shit, I'm losing a lot of hair and oh, there's immense hair fall, I just kind of use it. That's about it. So that is like my extreme product, and that is why I'm being very, very clear about it, and it is on a 40% off. Hi guys, I'm on Amazon Live. I'm Pranita Pandit, and we are talking about hair care products today. So let's go ahead to our segment of shampoos. It's very important. Let me tell you about two shampoos. Okay, let's go for, ये बहुत लोगों ने यूज़ किया होगा. It's the Absolute Repair from L'Oreal. It's a very like mid-ranged shampoo. It works wonder. It works for damaged hair. It is wonderful. Thank you for the tip. Thank you Amol. क्या सच में फ़ायदा करता है? Minoxidil तो करता है. If you're asking about minoxidil, and of course these products तो are like minoxidil तो is wonders, but please research कर लेना. Do a patch test, then use it. Use the lesser percentage one first and then kind of increase it if at all needed. So yeah, be careful. It's not something that you can just play with. These things you can, other things you can play with. I will not stop you. Like I've been playing with it for so long, so I know. But yeah, this is Absolute Repair. It's from L'Oreal. Again, we've done Kerastase and I've spoken about it. It's just half the price. It's the same. So L'Oreal ka high-end brand is Kerastase. So yeah, it's quite affordable. It's nice. It's really good, and it does really well. So SK is asking me minoxidil kitne time use karna hai. So see, minoxidil na, just use it once a day. You cannot keep putting minoxidil. It's a chemical, guys. So you have to be very careful when you use it. Just do it once a day. First do a patch test for 2-3 days. Wait it out, see how you feel, and then just like few sprays, 4-5 sprays, and then just massage it a bit and wash your hands properly. Don't touch your baby after putting minoxidil or anything, because you have to be very careful with these things. So yeah, it is a chemical, so be careful. Use it once a day is more than enough. They will sometimes the doctors say use it twice, but I would say stick to one. What is a good shampoo for men that have thin hair and get oily scalp? Okay, so that is a very very good question. For thin hair and oily scalp, I would recommend, so this is Absolute Repair. This is for damaged hair, thin hair. It works really well. It is a go-to product. But like I said, मैं एक shampoo बहुत लंबे time तक use नहीं करती हूँ. I always kind of mix match my shampoos, and I feel that that gives you a better effect. So I always have like 3 shampoos on my rack at least, if not more, because I'm a junkie when it comes to products. So you can see it. So I would go to my second product. So from this to this is also L'Oreal. It is for damaged hair. It is good for like even if you have oily scalp, it will do the wonders. Actually, oily scalp ka itna tension nahi hai when it comes to shampoo. I'll tell you this for sure, because mostly all shampoos now, they really clean your hair properly. I'm just finding the link for this. I've marked it. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this is one. Okay, no, Kerastase are marked. Okay, so yeah, this is also something that you can use and does the job. Even the Kerastase pink one, this one, very good for thin hair. And it actually, after you use the shampoo, but like you have to just use a coin size shampoo, and then you rinse it properly, and it just becomes like super clean. So it's very good for oily scalp, and if you have thin hair, just go for it. Experiment with both the two and see what works for you, see what fits your budget, and you can just bounce on that. So we have spoken about the 2 shampoos that I love, and I've told you about. I want to just, before I end this live, I'm going to tell you about 2 products. Oh, we have less time. Thank you, Sid. So now point is we are going to be going to Sova, sorry. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and today we are talking about hair care products that I have experimented with, used, and I'm going to be reviewing them. So here you have Sova. I'm going to first go to the shampoo for like if you want to also go for thin, like clean shampoo and you don't want to use chemicals. This is the brand that I recommend. It's the Sova Jatasmani Root Indian Rose shampoo. It has a very very good fragrance. I've used a bit of it. You can see the fragrance is damn good. I wish you could smell it too. It is on a 30% off, like you're getting it for 380. It's a small bottle. So like I said, I like to experiment with shampoos and stuff like that. So I always buy these small travel packs also, that if I'm traveling, to maine isko bag ke andar rakh lete. So these are like all my travel pack. So yeah, like there is a time I always give my hair a break from chemical shampoos and I move to the natural ones because I like to keep it going. So this is the one that I have used and I have loved, and thank you to my friend who introduced me to Sova. It's a great brand, and I have actually spoken to the owner also, and she had told me about how they started this whole Ayurvedic line and how natural it is and how good it is for your hair. There is no chemical. So maybe in this particular life is really wild, because we have gone actually from luxury to chemicals to non-chemicals to color, and now to absolutely natural Ayurvedic thing that you can use. So anyone who is allergic, reactive, doesn't want to use chemicals, please go for something which is really good and natural Ayurvedic. Nothing to worry, no brainer, no risk. Yeah, so this I can tell you. ले लो, minoxidil के लिए I will be like research कर लो और patch test कर लो. So yeah, this is one shampoo that I love. It has a very nice fragrance. It gives you that clean feeling on your scalp, and when I want to just take a break from all this chemical and everything, I'm like no, I just want to give it a break. I don't want to use anything. I don't want to put any color. I just want to go natural, and I do that once a year. Those days I'm just using these shampoos. So being very honest and upfront with you. So yeah, so that was the shampoo, and also I will talk about the conditioner. It's Sova, and it is absolutely natural. Like this, there is nothing in this, and the conditioner works. पहले मेरे एक mental block था, where I used to feel कि जो ये non-chemical वाले conditioner होते तो काम ही नहीं करते. पता नहीं क्यों. I had that block like majorly, but now it's not there anymore thanks to this, because this gives me fabulous रिजल्ट्स. अरे मेरे हेयर का राज ही सारा मैंने आपको आज बता दिया. आप मुझसे क्या पूछ रहे हो इसके. सो दिस इज़ लाइक the Sova conditioner. It has amazing fragrance. It's sweet almond and patchouli, and very flowery, nice. You don't have to use a lot of it. I mean, I don't want to dirty my hands, but I'll tell you, it's like, again, maybe more than a little coin size, because with the other shampoos and conditioners, that much works. थोड़ा सा इसमें I take a little more quantity with this, and because I feel कि कुछ है ही नहीं, कोई chemicals ही नहीं है, so I kind of just go all out, and I love it, and I have used this conditioner. So I have also recommended, I've put the link here, it's on a 50% off, guys. I'm on Amazon Live talking about hair care products. It has a 5-star rating. It is on a 50% off. So I think it's on a steal right now. So just try it out. It's only for $300, $295 actually, to be more precise. It is a 5-star rating product, and I love it. I recommend it. It is natural, a no-brainer. Try it out. See how it works for your hair and how it does. So love it. Thank you, guys. I still have some products that I have not been able to review in 1 hour. I can't believe it. And I have loved this live. I think I'm just getting so much more comfortable with so many messages and questions and answers, and I'm enjoying it so much that वो 45 minutes का 1 hour, 1.5 hours कब हो जाएगा पता ही नहीं चलेगा. So guys, just check out all the links that I have tagged here, and I'm gonna talk more about BLEBLUNT maybe next time, and be tuned, and I'm just I will update you guys through my Insta when I'm coming live, and yes, thank you so much. All love, and have a happy hair day, and enjoy yourself. Have a great weekend, because it's coming, and see you guys soon. Lots of love. भाई बहुत बोल लिया यार. कितने पैसे देने चाहिए इनको.